Switzerland, the country where nature protects you back. What if I told you an entire country is built to survive nature's worst? Welcome to Switzerland, where beauty isn't just admired, it's engineered for survival. After devastating avalanches in the Alps, Swiss communities didn't just rebuild, they redesigned their future. Massive avalanche barriers now stand silently above villages. Forests are carefully protected, not just for views, but as natural shields. In places like Swiss Alps, locals live with nature, not against it. And when climate change started melting glaciers, scientists in Rhone Glacier covered parts of it with thermal blankets just to slow its disappearance. This isn't just innovation, it's respect. Because in Switzerland, nature isn't controlled, it's understood. So ask yourself, if nature challenged your world tomorrow, would you try to overpower it or finally learn to walk beside it? Drop for Switzerland if you believe true strength is living in harmony.